Welcome back. Etia ami uniform circular motion or second part to sum where we shall be deriving the formula for acceleration of a body in circular motion. For the time being ami assume korilo ki je ei body to uniform circular motion nai kora circular motion e kori ase. That means the velocity is not constant, it is variable. Velocity magnitude to vary kori ase and direction to vary kori ase. Velocity variable uniform circular motion to asile. At that time the magnitude was constant but the direction was constantly varying. But now let us assume for the sake of convenience that both the magnitude as well as the direction are varying. So etia ami ki palu je velocity equal to ki asile amar omega cross r from our discussion in the previous sections. So velocity equal to omega cross r, omega ki asile angular velocity, r ki asile radius vector. If we differentiate it ami ki pam dv upon dt equal to etu differentiate korle ki hobo differentiation of first variable with respect to time cross r plus first variable into differentiation of second variable upon dt. Okay, now dv by dt ki hoy jay acceleration, this is acceleration. d omega by dt ki hoy jabo angular acceleration, that is alpha cross r plus omega cross dr by dt ki hobo d r was the position vector, this is r, this vector is r, center or pora circle to circumference gole ami r pa. So this r is position to change with respect to time korle velocity ahe. So this is our linear velocity. A formula to both important hoy, you have to remember this. From this formula itself we can find out what is the direction of each of the resultant vectors. Etu eta vector hoy, etu eta vector hoy, and this vector is the sum of these two vectors. Etia jodi moi kom if the motion is now uniform motion hoy, uniform motion hole ki hoy jabo a part to 0 tar mane for uniform circular motion this is equal to 0. Etu ki hoy angular acceleration to 0 hoy. Jodi angular acceleration 0 hoy then the net acceleration is given by omega cross v aru etur magnitude to ahe omega v or omega ki hoy omega is v by r, so v square by r. Etu hoy amar centripetal acceleration. Okay, so that is how we come up with centripetal acceleration. Ite a acceleration to ki hoy, this is the tangential acceleration. Tamane centripetal acceleration jodi eneke kam kori thake tangential acceleration eneke kam kori thake. This is how tangential acceleration acts. This part, the first part of the expression, this is tangential acceleration and this is centripetal acceleration. So tangential acceleration eneke kam kore at aru centripetal acceleration eneke kam kore. Ei duta resultant mili ami net acceleration of a body in circular motion pam. Understood? Eta etu uniform hobo hole ki hobo lagibo just alpha to 0 put kori dim, alpha 0 put kori dile only this part is left. So uniform circular motion ki hoy tangential acceleration to na thake. Okay, and the only acceleration acting on the body is that of the centripetal acceleration. Am I clear? Okay, thank you.